Okay, so let's do an example of a tutorial. I'm just going to write here a title. Let's see how to add 2-digit numbers. Okay, students, in order to add 2-digit numbers, we're going to write one number, 23, plus a second number, 45. So how much does this equal? So to add 2-digit numbers, first we're going to add the numbers that are in the ones column. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now I'm going to, this is the ones column. Now I'm going to add the next column, which is the tens. Remember, we're moving from right to left. So let's see, 2 plus 4, 6. So my answer is 68. So going back to our QuickTime tutorial, once I finish with the explanation, and remember that it's recording the screen and my voice, when I'm finished, I'll click on this button